Everyone, this is a short video to show you how to sort your data. So I'm going to look at question 10b, which asks you to make a back-to-back stem and leaf display, looking at a data table that talks about gender, males versus females, and looks at the anger, and we want to look at the anger out score. So that means there are several columns here that we don't need. So if we don't want to have this kind of stuff confusing us or adding more numbers to our vision, we can click on the columns, and then we can go over here. This is on the Home tab. Go over to Delete and just click Delete. And so I don't need to know about anger in, so I can delete that and Control out. I can delete all of these columns that are not really relevant to what we're doing. So gender and anger out, right? So as you can see, the numbers are not in order. So it goes twos, then ones, then twos, and then here in anger out, all of the numbers are sort of jumbled and not in order. So we would like to sort that. So we can highlight these two columns. And if we go over to data, we can click on sort. And so we have some options here. So we can sort it by the gender, we can sort it by anger, but we also want to make sure that maybe we want to make sure that the gender and the anger stay paired together. That 2 sticks to that 18, that 2 stays with the 14, that 1 stays with the 16. So I can sort it by two things. I can sort it by, so for example, my data has a header, so I'm going to click on this to make sure that it knows, and then click on gender. So it will sort it on gender, and then I can add another level and say, all right, and then sort it on anger out. So click that. So I'm going to do it by gender, and then do anger out. Click OK. And as you can see, now all of the ones are together and their anger out score. And then all of the twos are together and their anger out scores are paired up with it. So this is a way that you can sort your data. You can always, of course, just simply sort one column at a time if you want to. If we highlight anger out and we go to data and we go to sort, sometimes you get questions like, do you want to expand the selection? And no, I just want to keep working with this particular column. And I'm going to sort it. And I want to sort anger out from smallest to largest. I can do it other ways. I can do largest to smallest if I want to. And then click OK. And that will sort out all of the anger scores from smallest to largest, but it didn't change any of the gender scores from smallest to largest. So that's how you can sort a column in your Excel spreadsheet.